Good morning, Hoover community. I'm Dr. Costa. This is the weekly bulletin. It is Tuesday, November 4th. Yesterday was a pupil-free day. We had a great day here at Hoover with the teachers and staff doing some training to improve instruction in an effort to increase academic achievement. It's Dodger Day here, so hopefully you got the message that students are permitted to wear Dodger blue in celebration of the World Series. What a great competition. Go Dodgers. Best of the best. Let me get my picture out of the way here. About a month ago, we did Writing Across the Curriculum, where every student at Hoover took a writing assessment. And these are our super scholars who did very, very well on that writing assessment. Congratulations. Here at Hoover, we honor academic excellence. And so here is the list of our superstar sixth graders in Miss Weezar's class. We have one down here in Miss Kane's class. So congratulations to our ELA writers. Here's the seventh grade class for Miss Weezar. Again, these students wrote great narrative essays, clear and concise, creative. DLT's superstar writers. Congratulations. Very proud of your effort and focus. Eighth grade and DLT. Miss Kane's eighth graders, congratulations. We have lots of brilliant young minds. Okay, now attendance goals. We have a class competition going on right now. And if your grade level, 6th, 7th, or 8th, has above 96% attendance, you will earn a spirit day or a free dress day. So currently, our 8th grade class and our 6th grade class are above 96%. Congratulations. 7th grade, you're really close. We're going to take a look at the end of this week and see what grade level has the highest attendance rate above 96%, and that grade level will earn either a spirit day, like a pajama day, or a sports jersey day, or a free dress day. We'll let the grade level decide. So keep up the good attendance, show up every day and on time, focused, ready to learn. And we want to honor students who are showing up every day. Before I get into the reminders, tomorrow is the history writing assessment. So we will have a special schedule. You'll go to first period tomorrow, and then you'll go to second period. The first half of second period, you're going to have a writing assessment. It's really important that you are competent in growing and improving writers in history. So read the writing task very, very carefully. Organize your thinking and respond to the prompt. Be clear. Use evidence from the text and explain or use reason to explain why you selected the textual evidence to support your claim. So there is a term there, CER, claim, evidence, reason. That's an important strategy to use when you are responding to the prompt. Very important history assessment tomorrow. So Reminder one, we are an academic-focused institution. Hoover, scholars make dollars and a difference. Stay focused. It's really important. School safety, to and from school, while on campus. Make healthy decisions, please. Crossing the street, be very, very careful. You shouldn't be paying attention to your phone. Look at traffic, please. Bus zones, parents coming in and parking in the neighborhood. Please don't block our neighbors' driveways. Please do not double park. Please give us space to load and unload our buses. We are an anti-bullying campus. Be respectful to each other. Say kind things and support one another. Rule reminders. We're trying to grow back our grass after some preliminary construction, so please stay off the wet grass, let it heal. No cell phones or devices. Tardy sweeps, please be on time. This is what our schedule looks like for this week. Let me get my picture out of the way here. We have a faculty meeting Thursday. Got some construction noise in the background. This is what next week looks like. Tuesday is a holiday, Veterans Day. This is what's going on in our wellness center. Thank you for watching. There will not be a video after mine, but thank you so much for joining us for the weekly bulletin. Give us a call or send us an email if you have any questions. Please remember, scholars make dollars and a difference.